Gemini can now generate full songs, vocals, lyrics, instrumentals, just from a text description or a photo. Here's how to do it. Open the Gemini app or head to gemini.google.com. Tap the tools icon in the chat bar, then select Create Music. The music creation interface opens up and you're ready to go. In the prompt box, describe what you want: genre, mood, tempo, vocals, theme. The more specific you are, the better the result. I'll type an upbeat pop track about discovering new music on a streaming app. Female vocals, energetic vibe, catchy chorus, fast tempo. Hit create and give it a few seconds. It comes back with a full track, vocals, lyrics, instrumentals, plus custom cover art, ready to share. Hit play and you'll hear exactly what it built from that description. But it gets better. You can use visuals as inspiration. Tap the plus icon and select Upload Files. Pick any photo from your files and add a short prompt to guide the mood. I'll use a city photo and say, turn this into a chill lo-fi track with soft piano and light drums. Relaxed and nostalgic mood. Hit send and wait again. Gemini reads the photo, the colors, the atmosphere, and turns it into a track that fits. Completely different energy from the first one, just from the image. That's Lyria 3 in Gemini. Describe it or show it a photo and it builds the full track for you. Free users get it with a daily limit. AI Plus, Pro, and Ultra subscribers get more generations and tracks up to 3 minutes long. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.